In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom presence with Outlook status. If you've ever had coworkers ping you in Outlook while you're mid-Zoom call, this quick setup will help. Syncing your Zoom presence with your Outlook status keeps both apps aligned. So when you're in a meeting, busy, or set to Do Not Disturb, everyone sees the right information without you doing anything extra. Here's how to get it done. With the Zoom Workplace app open on your computer, look to the upper right corner and click your profile picture. That opens a quick menu where you can adjust your account and app preferences. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you into the main settings window where you control notifications, audio and video, and, what we need today, your presence integration. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Sync Zoom Presence with Outlook Status and turn it on. Depending on your Zoom version, this may appear under a section like General or Status Presence. The wording is key. You're enabling Zoom to keep your presence in sync with Outlook, so when Outlook marks you as busy for a calendar event, Zoom reflects that, and when Zoom shows you in a meeting or on Do Not Disturb, that presence is mirrored back to Outlook. The result is a consistent status across both platforms that reduces interruptions and sets clear expectations. A couple of helpful notes as you switch this on. You may be prompted to grant permission so Zoom can communicate with your Microsoft account. If you see a request like that, go ahead and approve it by following the on-screen instructions. Also, make sure you're signed in to the same work account in both Zoom and Outlook. Mismatched accounts can prevent the presence information from lining up correctly. Whether you use the Outlook desktop app or the web version with Microsoft 365, the sync works as long as your organization allows it. If the toggle is missing or grayed out, it's likely controlled by your administrator, so reach out to your IT team to enable the integration for your account. After turning the setting on, give it a minute for the connection to settle. Presence typically updates quickly, but it may take a short moment for both services to communicate. If things seem slow to reflect changes, a quick app restart can help. That's all there is to it. Click your profile, open Settings, and switch on Sync Zoom Presence with Outlook status. With that simple change, your availability will carry across Zoom and Outlook automatically, keeping your day flowing smoothly.